Yeah, today on this cold, wet day, I've got an i5 motherboard here. Gigabyte board, which runs really well. Just going to set up the CPU, put the chip in, the paste, and put this little baby on. Chuck in a few bits and pieces, and away we'll go. Okay, so step by step, this is step one. Okay, step two. There we go. It looks like there's a lot of paste on there, but there's not. It's really spread out really thinly. Okay, now we've got the fan is on. It's all set up, ready to go. Next, we'll clear the CMOS and do the jumpers. Clear that, reset. Then we'll put back the RAM, hook everything up, bit slowly but surely. And over here we've got the connections. Everything's going to be tested and done on the table. And then we hook it up to the monitor, and if all's running and working perfectly, then it will go into the box, into its new home. Okay, next step. Okay, we've just got a cheap graphics card in here just to test. Just put the RAM in, 2 gig on each side. That's 4 gig, that should do, that'd be plenty for it. Be on Windows 10, there's a hard drive hooked up there. Just got to hook up the power, and should be alright. Okay, so now we go and power it on. Get to the post. Okay, it's all hooked up. Okay, so here we go. Loading Windows. La da da da. Ah, wouldn't you know it? Updates. No. Suppose you get updates, you got to load them. Yeah, so all hooked up. Ready to go. Might skip this part and come back. Now we have desktop. You beauty. So all is good. No worries. Just a lot of fun mucking around, and yeah, A lot of wires. Okay, so there you have it. Just a lot of mucking around and having a good time. Yeah, it's really good to play around on a bench. There we go, all the updates are in. Beautiful. Okay, from here I'll show you another way you can do it using your own PC. Also, there's another way you can hook up a spare motherboard too to check it. This by using, as you can see here, there's my own computer in the back there. Now I've hooked up a hard drive here. Right, taken off the other hard drive, connected this one up, and she's up and running. No worries. You got the Ethernet, so all ready to go. And then just coming over here, this is the system here. Alright, so what we want is home 64-bit Windows 10 setup. There we go, next on that. I accept, next, use that one. Now it's only a small hard drive. I plan to clone it over to the original 1 terabyte later. Anyway, from there we just format that one. Okay. Next. And yeah, it'll just go through the setup and yeah, have a bit of fun. So yeah, that's another way you can do them, by using the existing power supply at the back there. Disconnect it from the original motherboard, hook it up to another one, hook up the attachments and use the same monitor, and away you go. And yeah, so perfection. Just a lot of mucking around today. Yeah, if you plan on doing it this way, just make sure that it's well balanced on a block of wood. Wood is the best. You don't want to short out your motherboard. But yeah. Or plastic will do. Gigabyte board. It's an i5. So yeah, it should be quite okay once it's done. What are we up to? 14%, 16%, whatever. So yeah, I'll go and have me a cup of coffee, and yeah, we'll catch you later. Everybody loves my body all the time. Scooby-Doo. Ciao for now. Bye.